want to show you how to change out a sink stopper with the rod system with a push pop stopper. I needed to upgrade from the original faucets in my almost 50-year-old home to something that wasn't corroded or leaking. And so I found these nice Moen faucets. So the faucet itself has worked great. I like the extra height it gives me over the old one, so I can put a cup underneath here or even wash my hair in the sink. It swivels. But it comes with this pull rod system to operate the sink stopper, which the old one did too. But four out of four of these new sinks, I could not adjust the clip system down here. You're supposed to attach it to this rod and find which point on this lever here that it will be tight enough. And I did it multiple times and never got a consistent seal that would hold water. Found this pop-up stopper and thought I'd give it a try. So I ordered one, tried it, and found that I needed a slightly larger piece than came with it. And actually what worked for me was these two pieces together. It took a little bit of playing around. I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working, and then it did when I put the two together. This rod here is connecting to the bottom of the stopper, but also it's plugging a hole in this pipe. So you have to remove it so you can get the stopper out, but then you're gonna have to put it back in so that there's no leak. I replaced my pivot rod in there. It's pretty tight. I just used a plumber's wrench to loosen that. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Put it back in there. You can see it's pretty tight. It's not moving now. I haven't taken this out yet. I will. It doesn't need to stand. It's also not bothering anything. I just need to get a different tool. And then, because I'd already tested this and figured out which one was going to work on a different sink, I've used the two together. You just pop it in. There's nothing else that goes on. This pushes down. You run your water, and that's it. Pretty simple, very nice, inexpensive solution to my months-long problem.